How to customize a generic website theme quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can customize a simple website theme. So let's get into it. Now, a lot of these themes look cookie cutter. You have seen a lot of stores and e-commerce websites that are all looking the same. They don't stand out. So this is because a lot of these people are just using templates and then they are just adding their own information. They don't customize the theme whatsoever, and then they have a very basic looking website that anyone else could have as well. So to actually customize our website theme, I'm going to go on to Wix and I'm going to click on create new site, and I'm going to open up a template and I'm going to show you guys step by step on the different tips and tricks I have to customize this. So I'm just going to skip ahead to these questions and I'm going to go directly onto the actual template page where I can select the template that I want to customize, and I'm going to show you guys how I will make this template look like it's my own. So you guys might have seen these themes. These are pretty popular and a lot of people are using these kinds of themes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to browse around a little. I'm going to click on all templates, and now you can see there are several different kinds of templates available, and I'm just going to click on this one and I'm going to begin editing this template. So before we get to actually editing the template, I will just show you guys what it's currently looking like, what the current state of the template is. So you can see this is what the template is. You might have seen a lot of e-commerce stores are currently looking like this, and it's a very nice and neat template, but I'm going to show you guys how to make this your own. So the first tip with any template is that you should change the background image. So I like to click on change image over here and upload my own images, and I also like to change the style of image. So you can upload your own animated image or anything else, but it's definitely to change the image, change the layout of the image, and then make sure that the image actually fits into the rest of the theme. So you might be wondering that, hey, I changed the image, it still looks like a very cookie cutter theme. For that, I recommend you go onto a website or a royalty-free platform like vecteezy.com. So what you're going to do is you're going to go onto Vecteezy, click on video, and then you're going to search for a free stock footage for any of the whatever kind of business you are running, whatever website you have. You're just going to search for a video. And this is like a website, a wellness website selling different candles and stuff like that. So I'm just going to search for candle. And I'm just going to search for videos for candles, and I'm just going to wait for a nice and simple little image. I'm just going to look for the one that looks best. I think this looks pretty nice. It has roses as well. I'm just going to download this video for free, so you can basically find any kind of stock video or stock footage for whatever industry that you are in on this platform of Vecteezy. And it's pretty simple. If I search for food, maybe I can find a lot of food videos as well. You can find business videos, people walking, all kinds of stock footage is available, and it's a very simple to use platform as well. And you won't have to donate anything or do anything else. You just have to wait for 5 seconds and they will show you a ad, and now you can see my download is happening. So we're just going to wait for our download to be completed. Until then, I will be moving forward on to the next way that you can customize your website. So I'm going to change this into the background video. I'm going to add that later on, but before that, what I like to do is, you can see these sections over here, these image and description sections. What you can do is, instead of having a image added in this kind of way, you can just click on manage columns and you have column number 2. Now in column number 2, you can click on change column background and you can change the image, obviously. That is one thing. Or you can click on settings over here, and now you can also add a different kind of overlay onto the image. Or there is another thing that you can do. If you don't want to add another overlay, you can reposition our image like so. So you can reposition it a little bit. And after that, what I'm going to do is, this is actually a video, so I can't really do that on this, but I'm going to delete that and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on add, and then you're going to go on to the boxes. So you can take any of these container boxes. So you can take a box like this, and then you can add your images inside this. So you can click on design and you can theme this box as well and add the image, or you can click on add over here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the image. So we're just going to add a simple Wix image. I'm just going to search for candle, and I'm going to take a candle image. So like image like this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on add to page. So I'm just going to move this like so. I'm going to move the text over here, move all of this over here. place it like so, and then I'm going to take my image, and what you can do is you can click on design over here, and then you can add different frames to your images like this, so you can make it in a circular, oval form. You can add different frames. You can click on customize design, and then you can also add your own very custom design. So you can also change the opacity and color of the frame. You can change the width of the frame that you want, and this is going to allow you a bit more variation than the basic cookie cutter themes that are available on most platforms. So this can be another way that you can customize the overall look of your website. Now, other than that, if we scroll down, and this is just the home page. So if you go to our shop page over here, so you can see this is the shop. And if I scroll down, I'm going to wait for my product. So yeah, so you can see this is how the products have been laid out. So what you can do is you can click on settings over here in your shop page. Instead of just having images, you can also choose to add videos to the product section. That is one way to make it look a bit more enticing. And another thing you can do with each of your listing is click on manage products, and then you can add more interesting names and something a bit different. So you can add something along the lines of, if we go on to this dashboard, which is going to be our products dashboard, we're going to customize the listing from here. So instead of just having pearl powder as our listing, you can add pearl magic or pearl gist or something like that into the basic name of your product, and that would be one way to also make sure that your website products look a bit more interesting and a bit more enticing to the customers. So other than these few ways, you can also go on to this other way to customize your website, which is going to be Icon Finder. So you can go onto a platform like iconfinder.com and you can search for different icons. So I'm just going to search for Instagram. And you can find icons for basically anything at all. And a lot of these icons are available for free, so you can add your own custom icons on your website. There are a lot of icon packs as well. So let's search for just social media. And now you can see there are so many different icons that you can choose from. Instead of just going with the standard look of icons, you can really customize the look of your website with these icon packs. There's also stock.adobe.com, and you can also search for icons over here. Let's search for Instagram logo or icon. You can just search for any of those categories and you will easily be able to find those as well. But you can see like they have like entire icon packs available on these platforms as well to really customize the look of your website. Now I'm going to go back onto my Wix website and I will show you guys how to add your background. So I'm going to click on change strip background. I'm going to click on video. I'm going to click on upload media, and I'm just going to drag this download that I just did. So we're just waiting for this to upload onto our Wix website. It might take a couple of minutes to upload, so I'm just going to wait until then. So now my upload has been completed. I'm going to select this video over here and I'm going to click on change background. And just like that, I have changed the background. So I'm just going to move this around a bit. I'm going to expand this section. I'm going to stretch it out a bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on change strip background. I'm going to click on settings and I'm going to position this a bit to the top or a bit to the bottom. Yeah, like this. So I'm going to position this like this, and I'm just going to click on publish over here. And this is just another simple way to make sure that your website looks very customized and very beautiful and gorgeous. Now, you can also add more animations to your website to give it more of a custom look. So you can see adding a simple video like this has really improved the look of my website, and you can really customize a lot about your website via these simple little steps by adding your own logos, adding these custom logo packs, using videos instead of images, adding a few different kinds of frames, adding a few different fonts, and adding your own kind of listings where you don't have just a generic image, but you add a bit more of a creative image. This can enable you to change any cookie cutter theme into a more customized website or e-commerce store. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you still have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make sure to answer them as soon as possible. And I will catch you guys in the next video.